Hello everyone. So if you're a foreigner that is living in a country where you can't speak the language, get in here. Your designated tutor stroke bestie is here for you. Today I'm going to teach you how I am currently using ChatGPT to learn Dutch since I'm a Nigerian currently living in the Netherlands. And you can use it to learn any language of your choice. For example, you can use it to have a bilingual conversation like this one. Hello.
How's it going?
Hold on. So let's have a conversation where I speak only in English and you respond to me in Dutch. Do you understand?
Ja, ik begrijp. Ik zal antwoorden in het Nederlands. Hoe kan ik je helpen vandaag?
Or it can teach you how to pronounce a word properly in another language, like this. How do I say, how are you in Spanish?
In Spanish, how are you is commonly said as ¿Cómo estás? Or ¿Cómo está usted?
So to start, you're going to ask ChatGPT to create a structured plan for you. If you want to learn the language in 6 months, you have to include it in the structured plan. And if you want to learn it in 1 year, basically whatever timeline or time frame you want to learn it in, just include it in your prompt. I'm going to copy paste the prompt I used in the comment section and in my description box. In the message box, I typed, "Could you please create a structured plan to learn Dutch in 6 months?" And it broke each month into 3 parts that I need to focus on, starting from learning the basics to becoming consistent. The structure ChatGPT has generated for you, you're going to use it as a step-by-step guide. So you're going to start from the top down to the bottom. Because if you're just doing it like anyhow, you're going to get tired of it or you're going to get demotivated. But if you're seeing your progress little by little, then yeah, you're going to be happy and it will be more interesting and more like clear what you're doing. So now you'll be taking each step and putting it back as another prompt. So example, this is what I would do. So under the same chat, I typed, "Can you please create a lesson for month 1?" And it generated bullet points on each item to learn and what to focus on. And you can use the same prompt for the rest of the months. You just have to change, instead of saying month 1, you just say month 2. Doing it this way would help you with reading and writing the language you're trying to learn. But how about speaking it? That's where ChatGPT Voice comes in. And you can access this when you download the app. I usually use ChatGPT online because I don't like to download apps if I can use it online because my phone is always full anyways. But then I realized you cannot access ChatGPT Voice if you don't download the app. And how do you do it? After you've downloaded the app, you go to the app and at the bottom corner of ChatGPT, you would see the iPhone icon. You click on it.
If there's anything you'd like me to focus on first, just let me know.
So it has different voice options. Look.
Let me know.
Hey, it's great to meet you. How's your day going?
Hi there. I just want to share how thrilled I am to work with you, and I can't wait to get started.
Well, hello. I'm really excited about teaming up with you, and I'm all set to dive in. So how can I make your life easier?
So basically you can choose anyone. I would prefer to choose a woman because...
Hey,
Well, hello.
Yeah, I'm a girl. I'm just a girl. And when it's done connecting, it listens to you.
I'm here and ready to listen. What's on your mind?
Let's have a conversation. Hello.
How's it going?
Hold on. So let's have a conversation where I speak only in English and you respond to me in Dutch. Do you understand?
Ja, ik begrijp. Ik zal antwoorden in het Nederlands. Hoe kan ik je helpen vandaag?
All right. So I'm trying to learn Dutch. I'm trying to learn professional Dutch in the next 6 months. Can you help me with that?
Natuurlijk kan ik je helpen met het leren van professioneel Nederlands. We kunnen oefenen met verschillende aspecten van de taal, zoals vocabulaire, grammatica en zinstructuur. Heb je specifieke onderwerpen waarop je wilt focussen?
Okay,
Of wil je
that's
gewoon
enough.
algemene conversatievaardigheden opbouwen?
That's enough. I'm no longer trying to learn Dutch. Just tell me how to get a husband in the next 2 years.
Finding a life partner can be a significant goal. It often involves a combination of actively putting yourself out there.
Blah, blah, blah,
being open
sheep,
to
have
new
you anywhere? I don't
experiences
care, I
and
don't care, I don't care.
connections.
That's enough. Anyways, now you get the point. Like the voice is so flexible, it feels like you're actually talking to a human being. It's like Alexa, like free Alexa. What do you mean? What do you mean? You know I like free 99. Always like free 99. Anyways, so that's about that. And the good thing is all the discussions you have is already there in written words, so you can have access to it later. Now, before we move to the next method, let me remind you that I have a second channel called Fei Shokme, and there I post all my shenanigans in the Netherlands, like all the crazy things I'm up to. I put it there, so that's more of a personal channel. So if you want to know me more on a personal level, or you just want to see the goofy side of me, go there. Okay, go and subscribe there. We're already past 100 subscribers now, and yeah, be part of the first 1000 after you watch this video. And let's get to it. Now, another thing you can do with ChatGPT Voice is to ask how to pronounce something in another language with the right pronunciation and intonation. So for example, if I'm trying to learn how to say how are you in Spanish, you simply do it again. You go to the headphone icon, and it's listening to me now, right?
Goodbye. If you ever need assistance or want to chat again, feel free to reach out. Take care.
Right. Oh, no. Take care. What do you mean take care? I want to ask you a question. How do I say, how are you in Spanish?
My apologies for misunderstanding. In Spanish, how are you is commonly said as ¿Cómo estás? Or ¿Cómo está usted? Formal.
Okay, but how do I pronounce it with the right intonation? I want to sound Spanish.
To pronounce ¿Cómo estás? With the right intonation, you can follow these guidelines. Como, pronounce co with a clear O sound, similar to the English word go, and mo with a rising tone on the O. Estás, pronounce S with a short A sound like in met, ta, with a rising tone on the A. Overall, maintain a friendly and conversational tone, and you'll sound more natural. Practice saying it aloud, and you'll improve your Spanish pronunciation in no time.
You see, just like that. It's super easy. Now you have no excuse to learn a language, and I'm talking to myself because I find it really difficult. Language is not really as easy for me as it is for the average human being. I don't know why. Like, I can't be bothered, but now I need to be bothered because I intend staying in the Netherlands for as long as possible, so I have to be fluent in Dutch. And I have several videos like this. If you're interested in the powers of AI, I have several videos on what AI can do for you. I have a tutorial on how to use AI to create videos, how to use AI to make infographics, and so many things you can do with AI. So click on this playlist here, and I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.